Hello. For this screencast, I am going to show you a screensaver that I made for my computer, which is related to one of my favorite hobbies, which is watching movies. And I am going to show you the screensaver. And here it is. It is going to be images of movies. This is from Amelie, one of my favorite movies. This is from The Big Heat, from the 50s. This is from Thelma and Louise. This is an image from The Apartment, one of my favorite movies of all time. This is from Casablanca, classic film. This is from Superman, the original 1978 Christopher Reeve movie. This is from a movie called Trouble in Paradise from 1932, one of my all-time favorite movies. This is from Jaws. This is from Roman Holiday, one of my favorite romantic comedies. And this is from The Lady Eve, probably my all-time favorite romantic comedy. This is from The Little Mermaid, my favorite Disney movie. And this is from The Graduate. And this is from Rear Window. North by Northwest, another Alfred Hitchcock classic. And Pride and Prejudice, one of my favorite romances. Thank you for listening and watching my screencast.